Hi, I'm Sally Strand, and welcome to my studio here in Southern California. I grew up in my mom's art studio, but my formal training started at the American Academy of Art in Chicago, and later I got a degree from Denver University, a BFA degree, and did graduate work at the Laguna College of Art and Design in California. But my real education began when I went home and sat by a window the same time every day, same light, and painted objects from my refrigerator. And it was there alone that I learned how to paint. I learned how to use my eyes, I learned how to see, I learned color, value, drawing, I learned how to compose. I began to get a vision of my own. When I teach, I like to teach principles of art so that we're not just learning technique, because the great principles of art transcend the medium. I have worked in pastel for most of my career and more recently in oil. And what I relate to the most are small moments of life that are often overlooked. These moments resonate with me because they're familiar and we often see ourselves in them. They sometimes suggest things beyond the obvious. I paint still life and the figure in an environment. When I teach, which I've been doing now for several decades, my signature workshop is about color and light. I'm fascinated with the light. I think light is what makes a composition unique or special. So when I teach these workshops, I begin with a review of my own process, and I'm just sharing with you how I work and the principles that I employ. And then I also include lectures. We have demonstrations, lectures. I have a slideshow where I'm also discussing the principles of light and color by looking at other people's work or my work. I ask a lot of questions. They make you think. We work hard and we have a really good time. And I'm excited to say that I've been invited by the Pastel Society of America in New York, who has partnered with the Hudson River Valley Art Workshops to have a destination workshop in 2019. I'll be at the Catskills Mountains and we'll be doing a 5-day workshop there. I look forward to seeing you. Join me.